Who knows? Hello there, guys. This is kinda my new spot because it looks cool, and yeah, weather is, well, kinda okay. Could be better, but it's not gonna be better tomorrow, so I decided to do a little video since the weather is kinda okay. A few little updates on the bike, on the Berk. I changed the bearings, wheel bearings, in the front and in the back, and man, I gotta tell ya, it's not fun thing to do, really, because it was kinda annoying in the back, because you need to heat up the wheel hub a lot, so it expands a little more than the steel bearing. Then you need to smash the bearing out from the wheel hub, and that wasn't fun either. But yeah, I actually managed to do that eventually. Front was easy, there's not a lot of hub around, so that was kinda nice. I greased up everything pretty well, and also, yeah, I got rid of the numbers on the back of the bike and from both sides, as you can see. I guess, man, looks better, cleaner. I also kinda brushed and polished the plastic covers and the front fender as well. So yeah, I mean, it looks good to me at this time. The covers on the handlebars are kinda meh, cause it's orange. But other than that, I guess that's job done for me with this bike. Maybe the front light, because this is not original. It's like Husqvarna 2017, 18, maybe something like that. I have the original mask and headlight from Husaberg, but I tried to restore it the other day, and it didn't go well because the headlight is cracked beyond saving, I guess. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna keep the mask and the other shit though, in case I'm gonna decide to get another front light, and then I may switch back to original Husaberg front light. But till then, I'm not sure I'm gonna be still using this, because honestly, I don't need the light anyway at this point in time, because I'm not using the bike on the streets. I mean, not that much. So yeah, not really something I need, so I won't spend money on it, because what's the point? So yeah, I'm just cruising around, exploring some new places. Everything is super wet and slippery. I'm kinda had a clean bike before this ride. Man, this forest smells funny, but I guess that's not the case anymore. But yeah, that's the thing with these bikes. I'm not sure if you can even keep them clean if you ride forest and stuff. Feels really impossible to do so. But on the other hand, it's kinda nice to have this amount of freedom that I'm having on this bike, so I can go to places that I'm not able to see with my R6, and that's interesting to me, and it's kind of fun, and will be fun for quite some time, I guess. It would also be interesting to see how this bike handles in the snow, so I hope there will be some snow in the winter, but who knows, man? Who knows? And this is it. Man, this gearbox is kinda weird. I can't. There's fucking neutral. I want to get in right now. No chance, man. No chance. So it's not gonna be a gearbox problem. It's gonna be more like a clutch problem, in my opinion. So yeah, I'm gonna have to look into that later. And by later, I mean in 2 weeks somehow. I'm not sure. But yeah, this is kind of interesting spot. I'm not sure if you can see anything through the trees, but I kind of can. But that's pretty much as far as I'm comfy to go with the bike, because this hill down is really steep. Even the hill up was kind of steep. So yeah, it's kind of different style of video that you will see today, because it's half riding, half talking, shit like that. So yeah, it's interesting though. I'm not sure if I should write some more, I guess, yeah. And then I can do some photos. Alright. Oh, maybe I can do a photo right here. Right here. Cause it's kinda nice spot. Shit, my face. Don't wanna show my face. Not yet. It's too soon for it. Bam. Yeah. I'm kind of photo junkie, but I'm a professional. I'm just taking the shots the way I fucking want. Oh man, this video is not gonna be popular. Never mind. I'm gonna do some more riding, and then I'm gonna end the vlog somewhere. We'll see how it goes. Man, thank God this bike is not that heavy. Thank God for that. Wow. And as you can see, the climb up wasn't exactly calm, because I made a little bit of mess. I hope it's not gonna be a problem for the owner of this forest, I guess. I actually have no idea who the owner is. So we better get the fuck out. I'm gonna take the same route back. Hopefully the same route, maybe. Yeah, it's the same route. Man, I'm still not used for all that power. And this is kinda... riding this style of hills, this is so difficult, because the rear wheel wants to slide down and it's kind of scary for me. I'm not gonna lie. Man, it's really slippery down here. I'm not sure if I want to risk it, but I think I'm gonna go for oh, that was a lot of crap on the ground and I just fucking hit that. Alright, I'm gonna go for standard pull up because I like this place. No traction, man. No traction whatsoever. And yeah, by the time I get down, I'm gonna end the video. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Peace.